Is your accurate content being ignored by AI tools? The issue isn't your expertise, it's your content structure. Today, we're diving into Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO, and how to structure your content so AI actually uses it. Many teams publish accurate, well-written content, yet AI tools often skip over it. This is because AI systems don't read pages like humans. They extract answers they can safely reuse. The solution is to structure your content to match how AI systems choose sources. This is the core of Answer Engine Optimization. What exactly is Answer Engine Optimization? AEO is an extension of traditional SEO that optimizes content specifically so AI tools can read, understand, and cite it when answering user questions. The goal of AEO is not just visibility in search results, but inclusion as the source of the answer. Being cited matters more than being clicked in the age of AI. AI tools reuse answers, not full pages. Achieving AEO means providing short, direct answers with clear formatting to increase the likelihood of citation. So why do AI systems ignore most website content, even the good stuff? Let's look at the common pitfalls. AI systems ignore content that cannot be reused safely without surrounding context. Most pages fail because information is buried, not because it's wrong. AI avoids content that requires interpretation, persuasion, or reading multiple paragraphs to extract a single answer. This includes answers hidden in lengthy introductions or key details dependent on nearby text. Now let's focus on the structure that works. AI systems reuse specific types of content blocks that are easy to extract. AI systems reuse short, self-contained blocks of information that stand on their own. Winning pages make answers obvious without requiring full context. Content types that work well for AEO include clear definition blocks and comparison tables. Structured data, lists, and tables significantly improve machine readability. Use one-sentence direct answers, especially bolded summaries at the start of sections. This visual emphasis tells the AI exactly what the answer is. AEO content follows predictable formatting patterns that facilitate extraction. Here's how you should structure your pages. AEO content should answer the question immediately. The main answer should appear within the first 120 words of the section. Frame your headers as questions, and keep your paragraphs short and focused. This reduces ambiguity and makes the content highly scannable for AI. Traditional SEO and AEO have different structural goals. Let's clarify the distinction. Traditional SEO is written to rank and keep the user on the page, increasing dwell time. AEO content is written to be cited, focusing on giving the AI the answer directly. The structural difference is clear. SEO uses long narrative introductions, while AEO uses immediate direct answers. AEO also prioritizes consistent terminology and short, scannable sections over dense paragraphs and keyword variation. By consistently applying AEO principles, direct answers, question headers, and clear structure across your site, you build lasting authority with AI tools, ensuring your expertise is cited in the modern answer engine landscape. Visit our website at blacksheepcreative.com to learn more.